Hey guys, this is Martin Perdomo, the Elite Strategist, and you're listening to Latinos in Real Estate Investing podcast. And today I want to talk about why real estate prices change when interest rates go up. And before I get started, I want to share with you a quick story of something that happened to me not too long ago. I attended a commercial real estate investors conference. The speakers on the stage were all overzealous on the market, and they were saying how interest rates is going to have zero effect on what happens in the market. And I sat there, and I got to be honest with you guys, man, I almost felt like my intelligence was insulted by what these guys were saying. How can cost of debt go up and the prices of real estate remain the same or continue to go up? That just doesn't make any sense. I knew that cap rates were going to decompress, meaning that capitalization rates were going to go up, meaning that prices have to come down. That leads me right into my first point. So number one is when the cost to borrow money goes up, that thing that you're purchasing is going to obviously cost you more. Affordability goes down. So if you're buying real estate, if you buy a house at 3%, it's going to be a certain payment. As interest rates go up, the price of the product that you're buying, so the asset you're buying, in this case, real estate, it must come down because now affordability is not there. Which brings me to the second point. When interest rates go up, payments go up. As a flipper, when I flip a house, my values come down. I'm in the money moving business. If I have a house that I want to move, I got to make sure that I stay in the affordability area. And number three, affordability goes down, right? So this goes kind of all hand in hand. Affordability starts to go down when that happens. For most people, they don't understand that credit card interest rates are variable, meaning that they vary according to what's happening with the interest rates. If you have a home equity line of credit, those for the most part are variable. They're not fixed rates. When the Fed's rates go up, your payments are going to go up. As interest rates go up, you might see less cars in dealerships. We already seen that because of supply chain issues, right? It's hard to get supply these days. These dealers are using money, they're borrowing money to buy these cars. And when the cost of goods go up, the cost of the money goes up, they may not be able to afford as much. So this is going to have a major effect, the interest rates, not just on real estate, but across the whole economy when the cost of money goes up. The oxygen for businesses is cash flow, and a lot of businesses borrow money to make payroll from month to month. So basically they change because payments change. Always remember this in real estate. People buy payments, not houses. And guys, we are in the middle of going from a seller's market to a buyer's market, just like that. I appreciate you guys watching. If you appreciate and you like what you saw here, give us a thumbs up. Let us know what you think. And again, you're listening to Latinos in Real Estate Investing podcast. And this is Martin Perdomo, the Elite Strategist. Peace out, y'all. So guys, if you like this video you just watched, click on this video up here. It might be something you might like. And guys, I really appreciate you guys watching. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Peace out.